It was a sunny Saturday morning when I first unboxed this SereneLife Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The sun streamed through my living room windows, casting warm light on the hardwood floors that, despite my best efforts, always seemed to gather dust and pet hair. As a busy professional juggling a hectic schedule, I'd been searching for a way to maintain a clean home without spending hours on chores. The SereneLife Robot Vacuum, with its promise of powerful suction and smart navigation, seemed like the perfect solution. If you want to make your cleaning routine easier with the SereneLife Robot Vacuum Cleaner, click the link below to purchase your own and start enjoying the convenience and efficiency of this amazing device. The SereneLife Robot Vacuum arrived in a sleek, compact box. As I opened it, I was greeted by the sight of a futuristic-looking device with a low-profile design, perfect for sliding under furniture. The package included a vacuum, a remote control, a charging dock, and an instruction manual. The setup was straightforward. I simply placed the charging dock against the wall, plugged it in, and set the vacuum on it to charge. While waiting for the initial charge, I familiarized myself with the features described in the manual. The vacuum boasted 1,200 pascals suction power, dual rotating brushes, obstacle detection, and a runtime of 60-70 minutes. It also had a self-path navigation system and automatic recharge docking, making it sound like the ultimate cleaning assistant. After a few hours, the vacuum was fully charged and ready for its first test. With a press of a button on the remote control, the SereneLife Robot Vacuum came to life. It whirred softly as it began its journey across my living room floor. The noise level was pleasantly low, allowing me to carry on a conversation without raising my voice. The adjustable suction power feature quickly became one of my favorites. I could increase the suction for high-traffic areas like the living room, where dust and pet hair accumulate the most, and lower it for the less dirty bedrooms. The vacuum moved methodically, using its self-path navigation to map out the room and avoid obstacles. I watched in amazement as it deftly maneuvered around chair legs and under the coffee table, picking up dust and debris with its dual rotating brushes. One of the primary reasons I chose the SereneLife Robot Vacuum was its ability to clean multiple surfaces. My home is a mix of hardwood floors, tile, and carpets, and I needed a vacuum that could handle them all. The SereneLife didn't disappoint. It seamlessly transitioned from the hardwood in the living room to the tile in the kitchen and then to the carpet in the bedroom. On hardwood floors and tiles, the vacuum's powerful 1,200 pascals suction easily picks up crumbs, dust, and pet hair. The dual rotating brushes extended its reach, ensuring that no corner or edge was left untouched. On the carpet, the vacuum worked just as effectively, lifting dirt and pet hair embedded in the fibers. The ability to adjust the suction power meant I could use a higher setting for deeper cleaning when necessary. One of my concerns with robotic vacuums was their ability to navigate around furniture and avoid stairs. The SereneLife Robot Vacuum's obstacle detection and anti-fall sensors put those worries to rest. As it moved around my home, it detected obstacles in its path, gently bumping into them before changing direction. The protective bumper housing ensured that both the vacuum and my furniture remained unscathed. The anti-fall sensors were particularly impressive. I have a staircase leading down to the basement, and I was initially worried that the vacuum might take a tumble. However, every time it approached the edge of the stairs, it stopped, turned, and continued cleaning in a different direction. This feature gave me peace of mind, knowing that the vacuum wouldn't suffer any accidental falls. After about 65 minutes of cleaning, the SereneLife Robot Vacuum began to make its way back to the charging dock. I watched as it navigated its way across the room, docked itself, and began to recharge. The automatic recharge feature was incredibly convenient, ensuring that the vacuum was always ready for the next cleaning session. I could also schedule cleaning times using the remote control, allowing the vacuum to clean while I was at work or running errands. Maintaining the SereneLife Robot Vacuum was straightforward. The dust collection bin was easy to remove and empty, and the brushes were simple to clean. The instruction manual provided clear guidance on how to troubleshoot any issues, but so far, the vacuum has performed flawlessly. The SereneLife Robot Vacuum Cleaner has been a game changer for me. Its powerful suction, versatile cleaning capabilities, smart navigation, and convenient features have made keeping my home clean effortless. I no longer have to spend my weekends vacuuming and sweeping. Instead, I can enjoy my free time knowing that my floors are being taken care of. Whether you have a busy schedule, pets that shed, or just want to keep your home spotless with minimal effort, the SereneLife Robot Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent investment. Its combination of power, intelligence, and ease of use makes it a standout in the world of robotic vacuums. Ready to make your cleaning routine easier with the SereneLife Robot Vacuum Cleaner? Click the link below to purchase your own and start enjoying the convenience and efficiency of this amazing device. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and home tips. Thank you for watching, and happy cleaning with the SereneLife Robot Vacuum Cleaner.